Welcome to Banalytics. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through configuring an audio output device in your video management system. For today's demo, I have two setups to show you. The first setup includes a laptop connected to an external monitor. The second setup features a mini PC paired with a monitor, speaker, and a USB camera. Both setups are running Banalytics software, functioning as video surveillance systems. To add an audio output device, navigate to the Banalytics Server section. Here, you'll see an Audio Out submenu. Click the plus button next to it. Now, let's move on to the configuration options for your audio output device. Here's a quick overview of the key settings. Restart on failure. This field is required to control what happens if an error occurs. Audio device. In this required field, select the audio output device you want to use. Don't be surprised by the options of different audio output devices you might have. The laptop and external monitor setup includes the laptop's built-in speakers, the monitor's speakers, and the primary sound driver configured on the laptop. You can also connect wired or Bluetooth headphones, external speakers, or even a home theater system if they're plugged in or paired. The mini PC setup, on the other hand, only includes USB speakers and the primary sound driver since the monitor doesn't have built-in audio. Now, let's test your output device to ensure it works properly. To do so, we will create an action to play sound. Click Play Audio under the Actions menu. You can add multiple audio files. This can be useful if you want different sounds to play under different circumstances. Once everything is set up, you can manually execute the Play Audio task by clicking the Execute Task icon. And that's it. In the following video, we'll learn how to play sound on motion detection. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.